Hi, my name is Pradeep Chavan and today we are going to see difference between histogram and bar chart. Basically what are these graph, that is histogram and bar chart. So before starting of theory, let us see one example for the histogram. So I have taken the 100 sample of ages who are using the smartphone. Now this is a data of age and that is a total 100 numbers people are there. Now I am trying to analyze this data with help of the histogram. So how I can analyze, let us see. Now all these people are kept in one bin. So here you can see, but from this graph I did not get any kind of resolution or interpretation. So I try to increase the resolution. Instead of one bin I will take three bin and range of the bin will be 20 years. So 20-year people which having the range are kept in a first bin, then next 20-year in the second bin and third bin, last 20-year people. So still I'm not getting any kind of resolution or the interpretation. So I will increase the number of bins. Now in this case number of bins are 6 and range of the bean is a 10 year. So here I can get some kind of interpretation that people are the using this smartphone at the age of 20 or maximum, then it is reducing again, it is increasing by 40 age people and then it is reducing to 70 people, 70 year age old people. So I wanted, in case to have more resolution, I can go for the more bins. Of course, that range of each bin will be reduced. In this case, 12 bins are there with a range 5 years. Now here you can see clear cut or the good interpretation and resolution from the age of 20 maximum people are using, then it is declining up to age of 40, again it is increasing, then again it is declining. So that kind of interpretation you can make from this kind of graph, that is called a histogram. Now see, it is a continuous, first column is having the relation with second column, so you can get the distribution. What is the distribution? So similarly, these are the different kind of distribution. For example, symmetric unimodal, then skewed right, then non-symmetric bimodal, then uniform distribution, skewed left, symmetric bimodal. So these are the thing regarding the histogram. Now it is a more powerful tool that is primarily used for the visualization of the quantitative data and shows the shape of the distribution of the value. Generally, horizontal axis is a variable of interest. In this case, age we have taken, and y-axis will be summarize frequency or relative frequency or the quantity of that particular variable. So vertical rectangle for each class or the bin will be there. Height is determined by the frequency. So y-axis, whatever you wanted to have that data in form, maybe frequency, percentage frequency, that can be taken, and no space or the gap between the bar of the histogram. So it is a continuous, so there will not be space. So each bin will be continued to each other. Okay. Now let us talk about the bar chart. Then what is the difference between the bar chart and histogram? We have seen histogram is having the variable which having value, quantity value, any kind of measurement where you will get some kind of value frequency, for that histogram will be used. But what about the variable which having the categorical variable, for example product category, area, or the machine. So this machine or the this category having some kind of data, individual data, then how it can be compared? So for that bar chart is used for the comparison. So here categorical vehicle is a product, so electronic, clothing, home appliance, books, furniture. So this is coming under the category of the product. And for example, for each category you are having the sale. So it is not a histogram because it is a categorical data, and for that you need to have bar chart so that you can compare the sales in this particular case of each product category. So there is a no relation between this bar and adjacent bar. It is not continuous, whereas in the histogram it was a continuous. So these are the thing regarding the histogram and bar chart. So thank you very much for joining this session. Thank you.